Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaksyon na itong matapang na pahayag ng bagitong kongresista, Congressman Barizaga ng 4th District of Cavite. Gusto niyang maimbestigahan si Speaker Martin Romualdez dahil sa pagka-involved niya sa flood control anomaly. Grabe. May pag-asa pa talaga ang ating bayan sa mga bagitong kongresista kagaya niya. Tingnan nyo si Congressman Leandro Libeste. First time niya bagito, may nagawa siyang maganda. So ito, nakaka-inspire. Talagang may mga matitino talagang kongresista. Dapat maimbestigahan si Speaker Martin Romualdez.
If anyone should be investigated, the first person to be investigated is House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Oh.
Why? Bakit po?
Because he's the House Speaker.
And do you think meron ba kayong personal knowledge about his involvement in any of the anomalous projects or any of the projects?
I have some personal knowledge.
Can you elaborate, sir?
I will not be elaborating that yet. But I'd like for Speaker Romualdez to be speaking in the... I'd like Speaker Romualdez to also be involved in the DPWH hearings.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, hindi nyo naman talaga sinusuportahan si team speakership ni Speaker Martin. Napilitan lang kayong iboto siya dahil NUP pa kayo nun. Tama po ba?
Yes, that's correct.
Pero now, you're not supporting him anymore, kaya nagbido kayo sa as AML.
Yes, I'll now be an independent candidate, or I might be a minority candidate. I'll be an independent candidate or a member of the minority if the leader of the minority would allow me.
So, to clarify lang, you're saying na involved po si Speaker Martin Romualdez sa mga maanumal ng projects na hand siya.
I'm saying that it's very unlikely for the speaker to have no involvement in such a large issue.
Sir, you're talking about the alleged insertions or yung mga kickback from alleged commissions?
I mean, everything's under the speaker.
Paano nila sabi, sir? Ano yung nalalaman niyo pwede i-share?
Well, nothing yet.
Pero kung may gusto kayo din, sir, na involvement po si speaker, you have evidence na
Would me possessing evidence make a difference? If the speaker were to have evidence presented against him in the DPWH hearing, would anything happen to him, or would he still walk away free with a warning?
Pero sir, kung may gusto kayong supportahan sa pagka-speaker ngayon, since kumiwalag na kayo sa NUP, sino na yung gusto niyo maging speaker?
No one comes to mind yet. Pero kung pwede ang neophyte, Kiko Bersaga. Joke lang. I have no interest in being speaker. Masyadong busy yung schedule mo.
Will you be delivering a privileged speech regarding dito sa allegations about speakers' involvement sa amin?
I actually planned on delivering a privileged speech, but I was not allowed by the majority office due to some problems with the speech I presented. Kasi I'm not allowed to name, baka may ethics committee daw ako, so I prefer not to.
But that's a privileged speech.
Hindi, kasi ang sabi ko, it's not really a question of personal privilege since it refers to a party matter. So, parang ang ginawa ko na lang is I just posted it online so that everyone, especially my party mates in my district would know what has transpired. Yes. But my district is still 100% NUP. The vice mayor, the councilors, and the mayor is still
That's
NUP.
what's holding you back. That's what's holding you back.
Well, we might not know.
Sir, sa House Infracom, mag-volunteer ba kayo sa mag-salita? House Infracom, since related sa flood control sa
No, because see, this is what's going to happen. No matter what form of evidence we show to the public, there's gonna be no results. It will be the same no matter what. That's the sort of justice system we have in our country.
How do you say so? So, sir, bakit hindi try? Malay mo kayo mag-start.
Well, do you believe that I should be trying that? Then I'll take that consideration. But right now, I don't believe that justice can be found within the DPWH hearings. And I don't think that any of the big players or the big beneficiaries of any stolen funds will be facing justice.
Sir, are you coordinating with Congressman Toby Chanco regarding the anomaly sa budget insertions?
No, I don't really know Toby Chaka. I don't really know Toby Chaka that much.
Mga nakakausap ko.
Random lang kung sino lang yung mga mahilig sa pusa.
Wala naman yung kumausap sa inyo, sir, about replacing the speaker from this group na nag-resign na kasi.
Well, I only heard about it last night that I apparently was plotting to replace the speaker, but I had no involvement in that. Everything that I've done until last night was for the benefit of my party.
Or kanino daw ba yung speaker? Or kanino?
No,
Or sino daw yung narinig mo?
someone within my party stated that I was collecting signatures to remove the speaker.
I-replace yung kanino? Sino?
Okay. Naputol na. Oh, so, again, ulitin ko bagitong kongresista, napakatapang, nanawagan na dapat humarap si Speaker Martin Romualdez sa investigasyon sa maanomalyang flood control project. Sabi niya, I have some knowledge to it. Kailang ayaw pa niyang banggitin. Hindi siya magsasalita ng ganyan kung wala siyang basihan. Tapos naniniwala siya na walang magandang mapapala patungututunguhan ang mga investigasyon. Justice will not be served. Grabe, oh. So, tignan nyo mga kabataan ngayon, kaparehas niya si Congressman Leandro Libeste. Ayaw niya ng ganyang kalukuhan, kaya entrapment yung DPWH Engineer Calalo. So ito, first time ko siyang come across sa pagsasalita niya is malalim ang hugot, may maganda yung pundasyon niya. So abangan natin ang mga susunod na kabanata. There is still hope. May mga matitinong kongresista, kailangan lang nilang magsalita. Kagaya nito, Congressman Toby Chanco, Leandro Libeste, sino pa? Albi Binetes. Then of course, Congressman Ungab, Congressman Pulong Duterte. Sana may patutunguhan itong mga ganito para makita nila na mayroong nagsasalita, may kumukontra. So, saan hantong ito? Hamon sa speaker na maimbestigan, I don't know. God save the Philippines. Kaya salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila na mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Tate ang natagaan og sin ug mag-atop na ni karon. Karon humanagid ang atop sa balay ni tatay. So napulihan na tong mga daot ni nga yero.
Ako nagpasalamat sa unang-una. Ako nagpasalamat sa Ginoo kay wala ang Ginoo, wala sad ta. So, salamat sa Ginoo. Ug nagpasalamat sad ko sa nag-sponsor na aning sin
Oo.
na kining akong balay 20 anyos na ni kapin.
Mm.
So naamay ng sponsor. So karon di na ko ulanan ani kay gatuloan naman ni.
Mm.
Salamat sa mga sponsor.
Salamat. Pila na dito imong edad?
64 na.
Ay, 64 na. So, salamat kayo, tay.
Salamat.
Oo. So, 20 na katuig bago pa